this is Lisa with Holland Designs Crochet. This is my new C2C Zigzag Waffle Blanket. And the pattern is available currently in the 2025 Afghan Club and also separately in my Ravelry shop and also on Etsy. So I released the pattern yesterday, and today I'm actually just adding an edging to it. So the link to the instructions for the edging are already in the pattern, but I had not yet done an edging. You can edge this one however you like. So I just basically added a simple single crochet edging all around 4 sides, and now I'm just doing the half double slip stitch in back loops only, that short row edging that I like to use on many of my blankets. So this one is just turning out so pretty. I'm really pleased with how the edging really gives it a beautiful finished look, and I like the contrasting colors there and the contrasting texture. So again, this one is a reversible pattern with same texture on both sides, lovely and plush, and it has that gorgeous zigzag waffle texture, but worked in a corner to corner style. So it's really fun, and you can make it either square or rectangular. I'll leave the link in the description box, and you can check it out if you're interested.